President Mahama, I put it to you, say 24-hour economy, which means me I feel when you 10 months were bam. It was same year as a quarter qua. So amount to my ding. President Mahama, there is no way I'll beat my 24-hour economy. No. Full soldiers, what are that? What are that boys and girls? My cross-checking nurses, any teachers, any junior doctors, almost salary. My go through in na sabi nurse for brain na sika mo de mo no ina wuntimi ntwia nurse for ka na wo ye den na wo betuma betwia 3 shift three shift you say it be a one job 3 people now one job 1 person wuntimi ntwia mo ka if you cannot afford to pay 1 person per job, how do you expect us to believe you that you can pay for 3 people in a row for a particular job? To me, my mama way there, my mama bua mountain. To me, a patroness for Munchomoka, why teachers Munchomoka. That's why be the president. Now, Bosumi poly, a do performa ye juma. Now, I wonder kwamo faso kwenye sika, the AT&T kwenjuma. Because 10 months, na ekwa table chabo sumi wa. Masa, pay one day krani any abro. Was he who said the accounts no. Te pay near time for obi ye bro ni adwuma bia no. Se time for no kra ku si weekend na mba na ekoko yi ni be 11 12 kra na ni braba. That's obi nya adwuma 10 solid months. That's for me feel ma moate. Mesre minister na wo ko jan wo na wo kosere ye te se dia hwe hia wo no. Na hwe nso hia bi hia wa aka nkonko sere wo hwe hia minister wadawo ma nurse ni ba ko se obo am ho so mbo na nya adwuma wo bo am wanya adwuma me fa nya na sabo no and my who say mo and this phone be at church so mo ko hwe sa nurse no na den na wo se mo yi na di na fa ko se me ka che mo play politicians a hantan na eku politicians wo pe abaro ko nurses for no ko pa mo church ye nto aba ma na nurse for no so mo mbra mo fa mo timra ha JM na mwani aji Mahama is the who yentwa mo kamusu means so abesere mo but dem me ra ho an dem video we che say ma hwe salary e de mamo na me hwe mo salary e de mamo no kreni se no ne e de mamo pa dia eni e de mamo pa dia na dwo Mahama 24-hour economy no timi ye ko salary a wa de mamo na 10 months no ntwimi twa moka na better than 24-hour economy why President Mahama ultimate 24-hour economy mo amudi 24-hour economy say oboy 3 shift ama mo 1 job no mo koto aba ma no mo sesi form ultimate na mo no ye cafe chama muti me say Ghana for we just warm up dia mo ba be hu sa NDC for first we win dia mo ba be hu pa the second coming of John kuna na mo pre no dia mo be hu anya bi we warm up ese atoto bibia mu ya tutu BBM ya tutu BBM MPP communicators a ebeba out abecheche de ekoso ache Ghana for no kontokwa internal issues ntokwa jemu tentente na to Mahama emia Ghana for mene ni umia mo mene ene wato media ni na ti media no so omonka ko $74 million ye twa for communication kwa e de common media na de bia shombotum to omonka bi mamo yes, what's your Kayania breakon? Timubati ye kebia mamma, we say overtime na mabe, you go yes as at them and go them to coshi honorable candidate Japonchi, and I'm the kebia mamma, we say the overtime na me ya mamma. Mabe can be nay, Miyame can be, where near break. To about some money, obe miamo minutes, I could sit a man, ye bed ye we, and Sunny ya benzuabe who do not responsible. See, I feel for you people, you guys, I feel for you. Me share my salary now. Honestly, I feel for you, but at this point, you are busy. It's more feel hit in the kakra. Next time you to aba, you ko to aba, and to aba, and I say, next time will be on country 4 a.m. Crano. No word delay no should be traversed that. Don't have a channel. To me, is by 1 a.m. now delay. So, election has consequences. To me, second and Ibia to my gun. Men, yes, I didn't be mu da. se obuofo bi into nkoto aba menye bi da because I want to aba automatically e just what to ama nipa ko a one person be president because -1 of nipa nanka obeto ma na wo se ne ho into nkoto no is +1 e ma dia one person be the president no eno ne ma enda wi amu a akofa wi na asan be hye mo kon na ka 115,000 votes margin from the previous election I DBT NDC for there. There's a moment NDC for 115,000 votes pen unyaka ho opon bibia no. But just that young crofo was a mokoto na was monto no. Mo minus na madwo mama san be president. It must learn lesson from this. Me bon pa say atetini na mu mo betima fam a kosi election year foforo. Na mo benya energy ndru ho na say mo dehydrate ye na mo nya energy na makwakoto. Na next time moto a ma to ma doctor Mamudu Baumia inshallah ni asande ni maba bisisi na kwaso mo mabai Ghana for na mo say nurses Ghana nurses mo say we are demonstration sa mo so mo ngoto aba mo so aba no monto mo nya hunhwe we slow motion Ghana for munya unhwe yenkoto aba bese munya unhwe so on the 7th of October next week junior doctors and so almost 10 months in ntwe omoka the next week almost so strike and for information junior doctors almost 7th of October almost so strike 10 months in almost ntwe omoka na me say President Mahama sika berebe a oba ya waji then how dey Jem sika bebrebe a oba ya waji so far unji ya kura sika waji President Mahama it is close to $20 billion per my last checks no about $16 billion sika ibi na what they call Times Square ya every hour bi an when you da ho no ye $17,500 times say a day near how many hours up to now what many sika akwa Times Square edu picture kobo hour bia no mucha $17,500 free Ghana for sika na mo ya mo ba enkwala trophy fi we aye djuma 10 good months President Mahama unchu amaka ndi nkwala mo nya mo nurses 10 months unchu amaka junior doctors 10 months unchu amaka President Mahama we say sika bebrebe no den na wo de aye Busia bebrebe oba e wa boy then na wo dey here and the media is quiet over this thing. The media is so quiet about this. The media is quiet over this. Next for munye unhwe afena musu bisi mu unhwe junior doctors munye unhwe dia wasi yeka eka chem bia mantie awofo fresh for no on kwango for na faso a omo debordenize students in na ye yimu na mo everybody else because adwebi wo mutrim say board ni ye expensive sade ye be di money eti oba no owo Ashanti regional Franzo wo Kumasi a ye de na kwakoto ebi atamale day student eti wo awofo na so ko han dan ma no tamale ho sa kolan so tamale a ne de na ba beto ba bi di sa akra ne de na today there was a parent who ko han dan ma no esiesie mu ma na sa no akọ school itenya de wo betumi jabe ansa kolan ntena fie go utumi wo dan kra de otima wo han kra advance wo na to de den na fi na ko han oba so de ti sa de a any won ntena fie ara wo se mo Ghana for maso ye ding chere mu refi asem ti se de opana ka asem wo short memories no ampa wa prove a chere mo se memory swa ko de mu ko mu dum so ne hot view ni adina mo hwehwe film Na Mahama is the whole, he's the whole, na Mahama Sako father by. I feel I'm Musum. Nurses soon, doctors Musum. When you see and call Mushio, see a 2 full 1 year 2. Euro in $1 say as I jump a Korean no harm. Now, President Mahama, show us your achievement. Because say no, dollar now they born once for him and now you're shame found. Dollar na John 7. Oba and so on your shame. On your shame net, you know, and Kolaya ye Juma Busumi 10 good months. And the politicians say 3 more than that. 10 solid months, so be a Juma 10 solid months, Capre Untriaman. Now, what politician 10 months, ya ma wala was go with me. Near health minister. Na enkwalai a demonstration no oba. Na or the omonyom ne sa or sreom. Or sremo. Cause was my being sa. Wow. Ya kana montie. Kere ni bibiaka. Ye kana say, mo sha mo hoden. Na de ba de mu adin esense ba. It mo prepare. Mo sha mo hoden. Why? Nurses. Doctors, Ghana for na Monsha Holding. We just a warm up from the moyer. A quite easy for the mobile fast one. We are just first 10 months. I feel no money supremo. I think you be seen next year. The next year, I call on bones. Yes, next time, more to a bar, mobile home. Or my train feels a young cotua young cotua. Next time, we'll be unconscious. I might you 2 1 I didn't recover walk cotua. Manuesi.
Ye better ye be chemicalize it, ye issue no.
Yeah. Yeah, mechanic na ho asem. Me ya say yakofa busuefo abesi o my Ghana no o my Ghana esi apene. Ekuya me no ka say wonim asem a areho. Amemfi Central MP aye friend no Joanna Jan Kujo. Me nemo ka say we receive an award outstanding female miner. Yeah, me say this woman alone owns 600 mining concessions. 600 poly 600 mining concessions, estimated valued at $120 billion. Amenfi Central sa woman na why fianga. Oh, nana was no mudi nyina man. She has over 600 mining concessions, estimated value at $120 billion. You can do your research, and this one I did my own research and I came out with this. Share ekuya me nemo ka say unim bibi. EPA say they need over $200,000 to pilot the nano liquid solution to clean the poisoned water bodies.
Piloting isn't
$200,000.
Oh, no, they be piloting the chemicalization.
Yes, $200,000.
Meba. Honorable. What's the program no mobile piloting in Quebec cost Ghana say?
$200,000.
Mommy and no chemical nessa. It will be a yo. Why?
That is the money.
Because mini say, Omo fan ko talk with me. Ekra farmer.
Omo be ya ka say anyeju.
Omo better $200,000 no edi ne kwa. E wo manum.
When you go to MindJoy online, MindJoy, they've done the publication and it's there, so everyone can go and read it. Over $200,000 just for the piloting. Ghana for me say yakofa busuo for na bet na o man so. We mu mientie hwe me ne mo ka say on. An expert na Dr. Ikpo Ayima, our food system technologist, our osaye risk assessment expert or University of Winneba or say
Katangi.
yes, Why yeah research I studies our Gary any food crops are ho. They have found say those food crops ne Gary na your market no are high level of what cyanide and mercury. That is enti enne who koto Gary who koto aduane ewo marketer who say you are going to buy poison mercury and a woody. Abusua baby oh my God na nam no eni enya yo. Enne me no mo kasei over 3 kilometers of railway eye nsuta ye tu gananse na kutu railway na se ebu agum ase
then
abra ye
all that you are looking for.
Hono kwa de Jimmy, sa hono kwa de Jimmy. Enya bai.
Mark your friend said Dantes ye wo your friend say MC wo kromu ho ye wo regional minister ye wo other government appointees wo ho and o ma hwes enti baby omutu no nso ye kwan no amanfo atwamu da bia o, so no one saw them working and omutu ni yes sad de boni etisa no because say ya ban na wo so no ma hwe adiboni etisei enyenwrem aye wewe ano na mutu ade na se a mu bu agum no hwe me ma oman Ghana de on esi menya nka minsi Ghana biem abusua de ekoso no eni enyan afa de Mahama say I'm determined to end Galamsey but I need the support of everyone. Were you not the same person when Nanado said, I'm putting my presidency online to fight against Galamsey? And you stood outside there and said that all those you get arrested, when you come, you would give them amnesty. Were you not the one? Were you not the one who said that Nanado shouldn't chase the Galamseyers with the military? Were you not the one? Were you not the one who said that the Galamseyers earn their livelihood from that work? So Nanado shouldn't disturb them. Were you not the one? Today, you are the same person saying, say, you need, this is a shared national responsibility. You need all hands on deck. Hey, na emsa woba power na wunyansa aba. Uwo opposition asebi na wujimi. Because, baby, odi o na kodru na enne, o kan sem we no, nyan. Uba ya o mine esu, see a penny no. Ubaye no, you've issued over 20 mining licenses. A bra or manu nyina no demu no. Ugusu issue licenses to the miners because ya buy naba. Today, Catholic Bishop conferences are calling on you,
Honorable.
Mr.
Me patron Madam Tess and what the pending licenses or they are working on it in the system is over 11,000.
Everybody nyankopon. Che me say a ya on my way. Baby I nam no ne abanfo ba tantan aban busuefo we. Na Bible account one mo kan Bible no. Proverbs 29:2 or say enipa boni force di o man so a o man si apene. Nti de ye hu no eni Catholic Bishop Conference essay on my Ghana on my penny Mahama, we drink water or tomb, we don't drink gold. Because President Mahama is telling us because we are getting gold out of the Galamsey, no, we should keep quiet and look on for us to destroy our water, our forest, our land. Now the railway has been added and we should keep quiet. Now an innocent person or no yen a contam mining more wonya concessions under your NDC government. Mobile ma budget ne licenses. Mobile ma freezing the account. He is the same person you are disturbing just to whitewash your failure, your disgrace, your disappointment. Aren't you ashamed of yourself, Mr. President? Is this witch hunting or what? Just because to me any NDC. Now when it came out, say mo chairman, mo first vice chairman, national chairman, any mo national organizer, galan say yes no. Mo can say more investigate or mo no. Akosi say, according to them, no, the police have not even invited them till now. But you have the guts to run after somebody you've already frozen the account and taking over the licenses. Or no, and a more chasey. Or more Marco to railway national.
Almost season the cars at 15 as I come.
Or more Marco to a railway na a buagum no. Match your magu hefa. Or ma omugusu ye juma ewo forest.